I think I'm cursed. Definitely I'm cursed. I think I'm cursed. Every day something happens in Turkey and I break something. And today I only did like 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, and I broke the bracket that I had got made in Namibia. So I just wanted to keep going, but I think I'll have to stop here. I just fixed my back hub. The next day this. The previous day, you know, every day here in Turkey something is happening. I don't know. Now I have to wait until tomorrow because it's Sunday. Everything is closed. I'll have to see if I can go back to my host and then try to get this done. Probably lose another day or two. It's really unfortunate. I'm back to my host house, and he lives on the second floor, and I was lifting the bike up and something cracked in my back. I can barely breathe. It happens sometimes. I have a very weak back, but I'm really cursed. Ever since I set foot in Turkey, I have one misfortune after the other. Okay, I'll be okay in a few days. And I hope tomorrow I can get the bracket of my fork fixed. I haven't found a chiropractor to fix my back, but I think I found someone that can fix my bracket. And now I removed the bracket and they're just working on it. See, they are it's not stainless steel, but hopefully it will do for the next 2 months. We'll see. Here with Anas, that he made the brackets. Good man. He made this one bracket and also the one that I made in Namibia, and also he replaced the one that I made in Ethiopia. And for 1/3 of the cost that I paid in Ethiopia, he made not one but two. So yeah, good. Ciao. Ciao. We're on top of Cappadocia. All this area is Cappadocia. Unfortunately, there is a bit too much sun in the camera and you can't see well. But let's have a sit here. This morning I left Kayseri. My back still hurt a little bit, but sometimes you have to embrace the suck. My bike has 2 new brackets. They are a bit too thin. They're not in stainless steel. You can see from here, but anyway, they are not in stainless steel as I wanted, and I think the problems that I'm having with this bracket is because of the screw that broke into the fork, snapped into the fork when I was removing the front rack to go to the airport when I flew from Cairo to Istanbul. So for the moment I think it should hold up. I'm trying to be gentle on my bike, not too much bumps, And when I get to the next big city, I will try to find a precision mechanic that can remove this screw, and I think that will stabilize the front track. And if I can find someone that work stainless steel, I will try to get two new brackets done, and maybe a little thicker, 3 millimeters instead of 2. And yeah, so I will now go down across this city here, and then on the other side there is the national park. So I will climb up, and there's a valley where I think tomorrow morning there will be a nice show of the hot balloons. So I will try to find a nice place to camp. It's getting late, but it should be only like 15 kilometers, so let's go. Now we are in the tracks of Cappadocia, and the aim is to find a cool spot where to camp that is a bit high up, so we can see the balloons and take some cool pictures in the morning. Let's see what we can do. I think up there is the toll booth for the national park, but I think these tracks will get me above the toll booth. I don't even think bikes pay to come inside the park, but yeah, better to avoid passing in front. And then there should be a cafeteria down there, and my aim is to get on some of those cliffs later on to camp when nobody sees me. I don't think it's illegal to camp here, but yeah, just better to be safe than sorry. The only problem is I only have 1 liter of water. I just realized now that I forgot to fill my bottles at the last fountain, and around here there is no water. So I was thinking to get to the cafeteria before finding a place to camp, and hopefully they have water there. Let's see. I think I need to go left here. It's very sandy. It's a little crowded. Okay, I surveyed the area, and I'm gonna camp up there. There are other 2 cyclists, I don't know if you see them. They're gonna camp just below. They're from England, and yeah, there's some wild dogs there. Let's see if he's gonna bite me. But yeah, it's very steep there, and my back is not in good condition, so I'm gonna try to find a path around. And yeah, sunset in Cappadocia, guys. Let me go and set up my tent. Look, Felicity here, and the black dog there. So it's a winery as well, as you can see. You can take a few grapes. maybe get shot in the head by the owner. Dude, I'm going the easy way. Yeah. So this is where I'm gonna camp tonight. On this little patch. But it should be cool because there's some views. I mean, the sun is setting over there. And so it should rise down there. I mean, I think here I could see some balloons coming out here, coming up there, and maybe down there as well. If there are no balloons, who cares? It was a cool spot to camp to, and yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna check out up here if there is a better spot, but I think 99% I'm gonna camp there. Gonna check out this. That's pretty cool too. Nice. Someone brought some paper. Oh wow, it's pretty cool. Look at the view. Actually got on top of this place. It's amazing. You have a 360 view. You can see the chimneys. It's amazing. Cappadocia. And this is one of the famous caves in Cappadocia. Hopefully minus the trash that people leaves behind. I don't know why people are so stupid. I would say stupid, yeah. So this was my second night in Cappadocia and it was pretty disappointing. My camp spot was not good to take any good pictures of the balloons in the morning. It was also not nice at night. It got pretty windy, and because I camped there, can you see the bike there? All these rocks are basically a little bit more than sand. So there was lots of sand blowing around. As you can see, the soil is very sandy. And I camped there next to my bike on this ridge. And unfortunately, there was lots of sand entering my tent. I didn't put any fly sheet. And it kind of bothered me a little. Also because it got everything dirty from sand. But it's a nice place anyway. There was no good pictures of the balloon. I didn't take any videos, to be honest. And now I'll decide what to do. I think I'm heading to check out some waterfalls, but let's see. I'm gonna hit the road and then I'll tell you all about my plans.